I, Kyagulanyi Sentamu, being elected to the position of President of the National Unity Platform, do hereby solemnly affirm that I will truly serve the National Unity Platform and discharge the functions of this office faithfully without fear, favor, malice, or ill will in accordance with the party constitution. So help me God.
People power. President Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert amaze okulayira nga President wa National Unity Platform azzeeko emyaka 5 egiddako. Byebyo nno nga bibadde mu Delegates Conference kyagenda mu maaso.
Of the youth elections, we talked about this as well, because nominations for young people interested in positions, youth positions, ended yesterday. However, for National Unity Platform aspirants and candidates, it's been a tall order. You have been seeing them go to places where they are meant to be nominated from, and they're told, you go away. And they're only receiving those who belong to NRM. So our candidates kept being frustrated every step of the way. Why? Because for a very long time, the NRM had succeeded in making the country believe these youth elections are NRM elections. And so other parties would fear to participate. And we said, no, we shall participate. We are reaching out to the Electoral Commission in protest of this, saying, this is not fair, this is not right. Hopefully you can clean it up, and hopefully you can extend a bit of time so that our candidates don't get disenfranchised. Because for them to go where they are meant to be nominated from and they are sent away, it does not make sense at all. Our hope is that the Electoral Commission will not keep quiet, like they have kept quiet many times. They kept quiet about the Kawempe brutality, and yet they keep saying they are in charge. How do you say you are in charge, and yet somebody literally comes and roughshods over you, takes over the process, and does what they want to do, and you keep quiet? Our hope is that they will not keep quiet. Maybe to say, so kati olw'okutiitiza okwo kyogula abazze bagula akafuyo ak'enjawulo katusubire nti Electoral Commission kuba tuze tukitegeeza ku nsonga zino katusubire tejja kusirika busirisi nga bwe yazirika ng'effundo likoleddwa mu kalulu ka Kawempe n'ebirala. Katusuubire bajja kuvaayo ku nsonga eno, si nakindi okwongezaayo ennaku abantu bano abafugiddwa okwewandiisa, ddembe lyabwe ery'obwebange okwewandiisa ne beetaba mu processes. Katusubire nti Electoral Commission tegenda kusirika nga bwezzeeko. Any question? Any question? Yes. Yes. Yes, Mr. Nwagaba.
Yes. How many delegates convened this delegates conference? Then on the executive committee, who was against who? Especially who contested on the party chairman. Then how many positions were open vote?
Yes, our delegates conference, based on the constitution we are operating with, is made up of 127 delegates. You will remember, by the way, that we did make amendments to our constitution to broaden it, get many more leaders on board as delegates and so on and so forth, and to change other models of the running. But there are some people that are still trying to frustrate that, as you know, others in board and so on. but we have the constitution we inherited from the Kyagulanyi and the others. That's what we're operating with. Regarding all the different positions and so on, like I've said, we are going to release a press statement in not so long a while, and you'll get to know who is where and so on and so on. How many posts? That press conference is going to be details about all the information you want to know. If there's no other question, allow me to go and say. Okay? Got it, yeah? But delegates, yes, yes, delegates conference yaffe tulina kusema teeka gyetulina ebeeramu abantu 127 eyo constitution gyetwasikira okuva ekibalamalabala ojjukira constitution yaffe eno twakola ennongoosereza twagala delegates conference ebeerimu abantu bayitirivu wankali nga balina kusoma mu bikaano n'ennongoosereza endala zetwakola naye waliwo bannaffe abeerimbika baffe abakyalemesa enteekateeka zino batuka mu kooti n'ebirala bwe bityo naye twagamba nti kasita tukyayina eno gyetuba tukozesa tutambule tujja kusikatira ensonga eza ebifo ebyenjawulo ani esimbewa ani ayiseemu wa n'ebirala byonna 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 press release eyo egenda kuba information. Mwebale. After 10.